Hello everyone. I was playing the police siren to show you the effect. Anyway, so today I'm going to show you how to alternate the um, turn on and off the LED lights, like a police when they chase somebody or give you warrant sign in that kind of LED. So it's pretty simple that you can see. I'll show you details how to do that using the Arduino UNO board. So let me stop this program and then I will show you the from the scratch. So this is now stop. So let me open up all this pin. So you need four different four blue LED and four red LED to do this project. It's pretty simple. You don't need any timer function. You can use the delay function in the program, so you don't need other people used 555 timer. So that's the great benefit of using Arduino program to do this kind of small basics program without using any IC or stuff. So let me show you how I did that. So this is the breadboard. You set up 4 blue LED and 4 red LED. So all these LEDs are connected on the negative terminal of this LED, and the positive side, positive LEDs are on this side. So on this side it will be all this positive side, and on the other side it will be connected to the negative terminal. So I'll make a common connection for the negative terminal, which is, let's say I will use the black wire to jump from that connection. So when I connect to the Arduino UNO board, the ground connection will be, get the ground on this. I don't know if you can see it. So the ground will be connected with this black jumper wire. And then, okay, let me do this later. And then every LED is connected to the 220 or 330, whatever you have, the resistor that you can have with the positive side. Each of them has one resistor. So let me start with the blue. One, and then two, and then two blues are here. Two blue, one, and then the fourth one. So all blues connected to this wire. So I'll make one common connection, one blue pigtail, and which will go to the UNO board. So I'll make one common connection for this 4 blue LED. Now I'm gonna connect to all the red LEDs of the positive side. So let me start with here, 1, 2, 3, and then 4th. So now I'll make a pigtail, like a common red connection. So whenever I run the program, while the blues are off, the red will be turned on, and then when the program executed, when the red is off, the blue will be turned off. So it will be, alternately turn on and off. So you can have the like a police chasing light or the warning light. So let me connect to the one common connection. So let's say I put here, and then here, and then here. So once you have the common connection, you need to connect one from the red to the UNO board and one from the blue to the UNO board. So let me connect the common connection wherever the blue will be executed. So it needs to get power from the UNO board. So this is my common connection, which is going to the UNO board. So my blue is, let's say, number 10, and the red connection, which is here, let me make one pigtail. So this is my pigtail. This will go number 9. This will go number 9. Now all are connected except one thing. Blue's getting the voltage from the UNO board, and the red is connected from this UNO board. But still the circuit is not complete. Why? Because still it needs to be ground. The top black, that is still not connected. So let me put this one on the ground of this board. Now it's connected. So if I run the program, which is here, it's pretty simple. You'll define the constant red and blue, number 9 and 10, and then on the setup function you can say with the red and the blue light should be on the output result, and on the loop you're gonna write digital write the red LED high, while the the blue will be low, and you can use the delay function for the 300 millisecond, and then digital write the red will be low, while the green, not the green, the blue will be high, and then use the delay function again so you can see the effect, and that's it. So let me run the program. Looks good. Let me verify. Then you can see the effect. If you want to change the program, let's say you want to do more slower alternative to the flashing effect, you can change the delay function. Let's say you want to put 600, so you will see the effect. Now run it again. So I put 600 each delay, and then I run it. You see how slow it is. So it depends on you, whatever you want. You can change the delay function to make it slow effect. If you like the video, please like and subscribe. It will be appreciated. Thank you so much.